Hi all. So today I want to discuss about what is Python. Let's see what is Python. Python is a high level language and interpreted programming language. And it is also known as a simplicity and readable. Python is. And it is used for the web development, data science, automate, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and scripting. Let's see what are the key features of Python. Here are the some key features. Let's see. First one is easy to learn and use. Here we can use easily and we can learn easily. That means simple syntax similar to English. Next one is interpreted language. Here no need for complication and runs directly. There is no any complication while running the program. Next one is dynamically typed. That means no need to declare variable types. Here the object oriented and functional. It supports multiple programming. Here is the large standard library. It built in modules for various tasks. Here are the libraries. It has a predefined libraries. While importing libraries, we called it as packages. Here is the example code. For example, if we write a print study spot, it prints the study spot as an output. Next one, we can see that the Python can be divided into two sets. They are core Python and advanced Python. In core Python, we can discuss the data types. And in advanced Python, we can discuss about the functions, methods, polymorphisms, all those type of things was we discussed in the advanced Python. Next one is the data type structures. In these also we have two types. First one is a static. That means it has a fixed memory. For example, if we have one variable, we are allocating one data type only. That is known as the fixed memory. Next one is dynamic. It has a flexibility. For example, we want to execute a small program. It automatically allocates required memory. It is nothing but it has a flexibility. That means while we are executing any program, it allocates automatically required memory to the program. So I hope you understand. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.